In today's visually driven world, effective graphic design is a powerful tool for communicating ideas, capturing attention, and leaving a lasting impression. That's why in this video, we'll explore 7 highly effective graphic design practices that will help you transform your designs. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just beginning your creative journey, we're confident you'll find these practices useful. So let's dive right in and unlock the art of visual storytelling, one pixel at a time. Before you start any design, it's crucial to understand the purpose of the project and the target audience. Knowing who you're designing for and what message you want to convey will guide your design decisions and ensure your work resonates with the intended viewers. So, first, make sure to define the purpose of your design. Then, outline the main message you want to convey and research relevant information about your audience so you can shape your design to match your audience's interests. Simplicity is key to effective graphic design, so here it's important to avoid cluttering your designs with unnecessary elements. Also, try to align your design process with the intention of less is more, and focus on conveying the message with clarity. Additionally, use clean lines and minimalistic typography and opt for a well organized layout. There are plenty of great examples of minimalistic yet highly effective designs, like the two visible right here, but let's take a look at one Prezi presentation by Jill Sinclair. The zooming effects allow us to organize content in a clear and digestible manner, leaving plenty of breathing space in each section. The use of various design elements emphasize key parts in the presentation without overwhelming the viewer or taking away the spotlight. The next best graphic design practice is about establishing a clear visual hierarchy. This is important to help you guide viewers' attention in your design. To do that, you want to use size, color, contrast, and positioning strategically in order to emphasize important elements and create a flow that leads the viewer throughout the content. Colors play a significant role in evoking emotions and setting the tone of your design. Use a cohesive color palette that aligns with the project's purpose and brand identity. Also, you don't want to use too many color combinations that might overwhelm the viewer, but rather choose one or two dominating colors in your design. And lastly, make sure the colors stand out against the background. Selecting appropriate fonts will complement your design and reinforce the main message. Avoid using too many fonts in a single design. Instead, stick to 2 or 3 font families that are going to work well together. And when you're picking out a font, it's always safe to opt for a sharp, professional look. More importantly, select a typeface that works for your purpose and audience, and pay close attention to the size and weight of the text. Consistency across all design elements is essential for establishing a strong brand identity. To maintain consistency, stick to a specific color palette. Maintain visual harmony between all your elements and make sure there's no discrepancies in the design to create a unified and recognizable brand presence. As an example of a harmonious design, let's take a quick look at a Prezi presentation by Nira Ayal. This presentation scores in design consistency with its clearly defined color palette, fonts, and design elements that emphasize main points and ideas without taking away the intention from what's important. The animations provide an engaging experience with a smooth feel, and all of these elements combined leave a lasting impression on the presentation. And if you want to explore more examples, feel free to browse hundreds of presentations by visiting the link in the description box below. Last, but definitely not least, always be open to feedback and willing to make improvements. Show your designs to others, gather feedback, and iterate based on the insights you receive. Testing your designs with this target audience can provide valuable insights that will help you refine your work and make it even more effective. Now, to summarize all of these practices, you're going to want to make sure you understand your purpose and audience, you keep it simple, you maintain a visual hierarchy, you select your colors wisely, think about your typography, maintain consistency, and test and improve your designs. By following these best practices, you'll be well on your way to creating compelling and visually appealing graphic designs that effectively communicate your message and resonate with your audience. If you enjoyed watching and learning, make sure to share this video with your community. I'm Neba from Prezi's marketing team, and I wish you success in crafting exceptional designs. Have fun and see you next time.